In this video, I will show the circuit diagram for this SOGET project. Basically, we have the two active high input units that we have discussed in the last video. And please note that the VCC and the ground can be connected to the VCC and ground pin available on the CPLD. For the output, we will use an LED to indicate whether the output is high or low. Later on in the pin assignment, the pin 1 will be assigned to the input A, while pin 2 will be input B. And for pin 3, it will become the output C. And this is how the wiring is done on the breadboard. This is pretty self-explanatory. However, there is something I want to point out is you can plug in the VCC from CPLD into this hole and ground from CPLD into here. And from this point, we can go out to the pin 1 of CPLD as the IA input. While here we can go to the CPLD as input B, and lastly from the CPLD we can connect it to here to get the output C.